Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Advanced Features, scroll down and choose Dual Messenger. Following that, tap on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, in my case, Facebook. Then select Install in the pop-up, choose Confirm, and you can use separate contact list, so sorry, if you want to, by tapping on the switcher over here and choosing Next. I will go with just Next, so now when I click on it, I need to tap on Yes, and wait. So now when I go back and try to access Facebook, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!